Good morning and welcome to Keto Time with Keto Granny. Today I want to talk a little bit about doing healthy keto. The ketogenic diet is a diet where your body switches from burning glucose and starts to burn ketones. Ketones is a more efficient and better energy for your body to use. It's been compared to like two cars. One car burns gas and one car burns electricity. The car that burns gas is giving off a lot of emissions and everything into the air. The car that burns electricity doesn't give off emissions. It's a much cleaner fuel. So that's how the two are compared. If you're burning gasoline, that's your sugar. Burning electricity, that's your ketones. Ketones is the best fuel for your body to use. The ketogenic diet consists of eating 75% worth of fat, eating 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. Now, the reason you want to reduce your carbohydrates is you want your body to start burning ketones. You want your body to switch fuel. Once your body starts burning ketones and you're in ketosis, your body is going to go through a process at first that's called the keto flu. Some people get these, some people have symptoms, some people don't. The keto flu is not a disease. It's just a process that your body goes through. Now, some people have a lot of symptoms or different things happen to them as they're going through the keto flu. Some people experience muscle cramps. You're going to have headaches. Some even break out in what they call a keto rash, stiffness in the bones. I mostly had a lot of muscle cramps. And what I did for this was I drank apple cider vinegar, about 1 to 2 tablespoons in a glass of water. I put a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, and also I added about 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This helped me a great deal. Also, I drank bone broth, and I used a lot of the broth from different foods that I cook. Like if I made ribs, then I made broth with that. And I would use that broth and drink that broth. And what this does is replenish your electrolytes. You have to replenish your electrolytes daily on the ketogenic diet. That's why your body gets what is called the keto flu. Your body is being, your electrolytes are being flushed out, because as you start the keto diet, you want to make sure that you drink lots of water. You want to be able to flush the toxins out of your body. But as the toxins are leaving your body is also flushing out necessary electrolytes and nutrients that it needs, such as sodium, potassium, magnesium. So you have to replenish these electrolytes so that you feel your best while you're doing the ketogenic diet. That's very, very important on the ketogenic diet, because if you don't, you're going to have brain fog. You're going to have muscle cramps. You're not going to feel well. So make sure that you replenish your electrolytes daily. And you can do this with the foods that you eat. You want to eat a lot of leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale. You want to incorporate cruciferous vegetables, cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. All of these things are going to help you replenish your electrolytes, and you're going to feel so good. Also, by eating these vegetables and the vegetables that are more keto friendly, this is where you're going to get your carbohydrates on the ketogenic diet. Most of your carbohydrates are going to come from vegetables. This is going to keep you healthy. You're going to feel good. And then for your meats, or your 75% worth of fats, you're not just going to be eating a lot of fat or things like that. When first starting out, you may do what is going to be called a fat fast. That's what I use. The fat fast worked best for me because I'm not a good water faster. Plus, at my age, I felt that the fat fast would be better where I would be eating food, especially since I take medications. Now here I want to say that I am not a doctor. I am simply someone who has used the ketogenic diet and it was successful for me. So I'm sharing my story, I'm sharing my journey, so that if there's anything that has helped me that I can share that will help you, that's what I want to do. I want to share how healthy it's gotten me, because before the ketogenic diet I was almost pushing around a walker. Actually, I had a walker that sometimes I used at home, but I walked with a cane just about everywhere. every day. I try not to use it out in public a lot because vanity, for vanity purposes. But now I don't use that cane. I still have it. I don't have to use that walker to walk a little ways and then sit down. So the ketogenic diet has changed my life so much. I'm 64 years old and I didn't start on this diet until I was 62 years old. That's when I found the ketogenic diet. So it's something that I want to share. And when you're doing this diet, you want to make sure that you're doing it healthy. You want to follow it the correct way. If you're doing healthy keto, then it's going to reduce inflammation in your body, in your joints, pain. It's going to give you high energy because of the fat that you're eating. Now the fats that you're going to get, these are mostly going to come from meats, and meats have fat in them. So this is how you're going to get most of your fats on the ketogenic diet, is through the meats that you eat. And then you'll have healthy oils such as avocado oil, coconut oil, MCT oil. You'll be adding these things, olive oil, to your salads. Use these oils as you cook. This is a way that you can add in some extra healthy fats also. Also, if you're able to have dairy, you can add in fats with your heavy whipping cream and cheeses. So there are plenty of ways that you're going to get fats that you're going to enjoy eating them. Eggs are so keto friendly. They're half protein and half fat. So bacon. Some people eat pork, some people don't. You can use this diet to eat the foods that you like and be satisfied. You just have to make sure that you're cooking them keto friendly, and that I feel like if you like the foods that you're eating, you're going to stay on the diet. So when you start this diet, make sure that you make it fit into your lifestyle. Make it your keto journey. So healthy keto is going to reduce inflammation. It's going to give you high energy. It's going to improve your cognitive ability, your mental clarity. You're going to be able to think much more clear. Also, it's going to do away with cravings, especially cravings for sugar, because that's the main thing that you want to replace on this diet. Your body functions are going to be better. Once you reduce carbs, you're going to go into a state that's called ketosis. And that's what you aim for if you're doing the ketogenic diet. There are many other forms of keto, and if you're not in ketosis, then you're not doing the ketogenic diet. You're doing low carb, high fat. And the goal of that is no ketosis. So reduce your carbs. You're going to start eating less frequently. And you're going to love this. You're going to love this diet. You're going to love the changes that you see in your body. So I just want to say that if you're over the age of 50, over the age of 40, our metabolism does slow down. But you can lose weight. You can get healthy. Learn about the ketogenic diet. Ask your doctor about the ketogenic diet. Ask them about the many benefits, especially the benefits if you're over the age of 50 or 60. This diet can help young and old. So I want to say, if you want to get healthy, check out the ketogenic diet. Add in some intermittent fasting and some exercise. You'll be happy with the results that you see. So far to date, I've lost 115 pounds and I've been able to keep it off. I've been learning how to practice maintenance. But I do want to lose an additional 40 to 50 pounds. I'll let my body tell me when to stop. So I'm still continuing on my journey. I'm still using exercise, intermittent fasting, and I will keep you posted as to how everything goes along the way. But if you want to get healthy, check out the ketogenic diet, intermittent fasting. Also, I offer coaching classes, so I'm putting that link down below. If you need any help just getting started, you have any questions, if you post them, I'll answer those for you. This is Keto Granny saying, have a great day, and I hope you've enjoyed Keto Time with Keto Granny. I'd like to say that if you have enjoyed my video, or if it's helping you in any way, form, or fashion, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to build my subscription to my channel, so if you would subscribe and share with your friends, whoever this will help, it would be greatly appreciated. Thank you and have a great day.